All right, so this little tip is if you have to cast on a large quantity of stitches, usually for working in the round. Ordinarily, I like long tail cast on, I like how it looks. If you use long tail cast on, the problem with it is you have to estimate how much to pull out. You can, wrap the yarn around your needle to estimate it, but if I have over 100 stitches to cast on, I just use this little trick. Rather than pulling a tail out, what I do is I work from the inside and the outside of one skein or two separate balls of yarn. For this, I am working from both the inside and the outside, so there is no tail here. They're both live. Do a little slip knot and get it on my needle. And now I'm going to do long tail cast on with both of the live ends. So work long tail, and you can see you're not going to run out of yarn because both ends are live. So when you get to the end of your cast on, if it's 350 stitches or whatever, you're not going to get to 299 and realize you're not going to make it and have to redo it again. When you get them all cast on and you come back to, you're working in the round and you come back to this original slip knot, don't count that as a stitch. And when you come to it, just pull it off and pull the tails and it unknots and it gets rid of it. So that's my little trick for many, many cast on stitches.